Hi everyone, my name's Beth, and today I'm going to walk you through how to conduct a kitchen food safety inspection in iAuditor. The purpose of this template is to ensure the safety of yourself, your employees, and also your customers, and it should be used on a daily basis. So without further ado, I'm going to start the inspection. I'll enter some summary information here on my title page, and then I'll have a look at this answer key here at the top. So it tells me ideally how questions should be answered and also how I can add extra information, such as a corrective action, for example. If I have a look at these sections, there's quite a few here, covering hygiene, storage, food preparation, just to name a few. But we're going to jump right into the pest control section. I've noticed that my garbage cans are actually not clean or sanitized. So I'm going to select no. And I'm going to embellish this with a little bit more context. I'm going to provide a picture of the garbage can that's not clean. So I'll just take a photo with my device camera. And I can annotate on it to identify exactly where the problem is. I'll answer yes to some of the other questions. But no, the facility is not free of evidence of pests. So I'm going to create a corrective action to make sure that this is resolved. Get rid of cockroaches. I'll assign it to my colleague and hit create. And now I can confirm that the action has been implemented. All I need to do now is sign this inspection off. And my work here is done. And that is how you conduct a kitchen food safety inspection in iAuditor.